If you want a new way to do chicken, we have the recipe for you.
Today we're making Crockpot Crack Chicken. So come on in. All right, we've got our crock pot here, and we've got
1 package of boneless, skinless chicken breast.
And we're just gonna take those out of the package and place them in the bottom of the crock pot here.
So we have 3 of those in here in the crock pot.
And then we've got a box of just your chicken broth.
And 1/2 cup of chicken broth.
You don't want a lot of juice in here. You don't really need a lot of juice in this. And
1/2 cup of diced sweet onion.
You know how we like that sweet onion. And then I've got 2 boxes of Philadelphia cream cheese. Slice it in some chunks here.
Put a chunk here and a chunk over here.
Exactly. Just
spread it out.
Yeah.
We're spreading the love out, aren't we?
Yeah, we're spreading the love.
So rake it in there.
I am.
Come on, there you go.
So that's 2 boxes of cream cheese. And I'm just going to move that around because I'm OCD. And
then 1 teaspoon of granulated chicken bouillon.
Yeah, it's a little bit more chicken flavor. And then
1 packet of ranch seasoning.
And that ranch seasoning mix it makes all the difference in this. This adds all your flavor. It's all the seasonings you're going to need. You do not need any other seasoning, I promise you. Everything you need is right in this little packet. So we'll sprinkle that in there. And then I'm going to take the lid and I'm going to cover it up. And we're going to program this for 6 hours. And we're going to put it on low. Now, you can check it in about 5 hours. You don't want to overcook the chicken, but you just want it tender. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook, and we'll check back. All right, look at that.
That smells good.
So now we're going to remove that chicken from the crock pot, put it on a plate here.
And using 2 forks to shred the chicken breast.
We're just going to shred that up.
Look how tender that is, Jim.
I know. Look me go. I'm going fast now.
Well, look at you go.
I know.
Go, girl.
I'm fast. All right. Now that's all shredded up and looking good. Now we're going to go back over here to the crock pot. And I'm going to stir this up a little bit. We're going to add
1/2 cup of cooked chopped bacon.
And
add 1 cup of Mexican blend shredded cheese.
That's right. You got to have cheese because you know how we love cheese. So sprinkle that in.
And then add your chicken back in.
And we'll just put that all back in there. It smells so good already.
And stir that up. It looks good.
Oh, yeah. Give me a cracker right now. It smells delicious and it's going to be great. And so flavorful.
Top with a little more cheese and add green onion.
Got to have some green onion. And you can do this a couple different ways. I've got a brioche bun here. And you could just scoop some on and make yourself some sandwiches with it. Cheesy chicken.
Look at that. Just dip it on the bun.
Look at all that cheesy goodness. Yum.
You could use this for any kind of occasion.
Definitely.
Like when you're hungry.
Exactly. Anytime you're hungry.
You can make sandwiches, sliders.
Yes. Got something, you want to do a party and...
You can even use it for dip.
Yeah.
Or games or parties.
Absolutely. Look at that.
I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat.
Me too. Let's eat. Wow. Yum. Well, as Steve would say, is this the best cracked chicken? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time, right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.